The data that we've collected has told us again and again that people are looking for a safe but powerful solution to purify the air and surfaces in their home.
Every year in May and October, I'd get a horrible sinus infection. I dreaded those months because of the watery eyes, the runny nose, and the head congestion. I knew I'd be out of commission for 2 months every year. I tried every remedy I could think of, but nothing worked.
Like Jennifer, many people try to reduce their symptoms with various OTC medicines, natural fixes, and numerous doctor's visits. When nothing works, most people assume it's just something they have to live with.
I was initially interested in getting an air purifier because I have 3 kids at home and 2 dogs. I wanted to create a cleaner environment for them. So imagine my surprise when May and October both passed without a single sinus infection. It's now been 5 years since I've had one. So to me, this technology is the best kept secret in the purification industry. It's been a life changer for us.
Our ActivePure technology harnesses microscopic oxygen and water molecules in the air as they pass through the purification unit. This unit has a patented honeycomb matrix where the molecules are transformed into friendly yet powerful oxidizers. And as they flow into the air, they help protect you from countless microscopic pathogens that you can't even see.
This incredible air purifying technology got its origins in the NASA space program.
Our project engineers took NASA-originated technology and dramatically enhanced and transformed it. Now it eliminates airborne contaminants that are everywhere, like mold and bacteria, viruses. It also cleans surfaces and clothes.
My daughter has a challenged immune system, so I know how important indoor air quality is. I've seen it. Being able to stop the merry-go-round of sick kids and seasonal allergies is a huge game changer for my family.
Our corporate mission is to bring ActivePure to everyone it can possibly help. This includes people with allergies and asthma, breathing issues, challenged immune systems, pet allergies and odors, and everyone who's concerned with the health and well-being of their families. The first generation of our technology was developed by NASA for use in our space program. With our advancements, ActivePure has been described as the most powerful air and surface purification system ever discovered. Because of the impact our technology has had on mankind, ActivePure is the only air cleaning technology to be inducted into the Space Technology Hall of Fame.
As with many new technologies developed for use in space, there are often unexpected benefits for those of us on Earth. In 1995, I served as payload commander on STS-73 mission. On that mission, we carried an experiment with a photocatalytic oxidation unit that helped us grow potatoes in space. ActivePure is a transformational advancement of this technology, and because of the difference it's made on Earth, it has been recognized by the Space Foundation as a certified space technology and also honored in our Space Technology Hall of Fame.
If you're concerned about allergens, mold, and other pollutants in your home, it's time to discover ActivePure. Air purification systems with ActivePure technology are proven to be effective at eliminating germs, odors, viruses, bacteria, and other harmful contaminants in the air and on surfaces.
ActivePure has helped people in their homes, offices, cars, hospitals, and classrooms, and has helped Olympic athletes and professional sports teams across the world. And now it can help you.
My family of 5 almost never gets sick. We don't miss school or sporting events, and we can even do more together as a family. ActivePure has definitely improved the quality of our lives. I'm beyond grateful I found it.
ActivePure is the only Hall of Fame certified space technology that works continuously to clean and protect air and surfaces 24 hours a day.
Space certification and Hall of Fame honors are awarded to those who have taken a technology developed for space and brought it back to Earth to benefit our lives here. ActivePure has enormous implications to help people on Earth. It's a real game changer.
Take advantage of this opportunity to make a difference in your life and the lives of those you care most about. Get ActivePure today.